So here we are in Chaddesley Corbett with one of our customers, a very happy customer, installed 10 panels, a 4.3 kilowatt system, and just trimmed it off with some bird guard, purely because the amount of trees and wildlife around here, just a future-proof it so he has no problems with nests. So Miles, you've had a chance to get used to it. How are you finding it?
Very good. You know, we've had it 3 months and it's beyond my expectations. We've used about 40 kilowatts of electricity from the grid in that time. Obviously the weather's been quite favourable, but it is a very good system.
And if we come round, it's connected to an inverter, and to complement it, there's a 9.4 kilowatt battery. So just sitting nice in this little store cupboard, out of the way, not in the main building. As we say, we've got a 9.4 kilowatt battery, a 3.6 both Hanshu inverter, all connected up on the app so the customer can see everything, what's going on, how much he's using, what's the state of charge of the battery at any one time.
The battery works fantastically well, and I would recommend anyone having solar panels to have a battery. It enables you to manage the system, so you're not really drawing from the grid.
Have you got any idea, monetary-wise, what you saved in the 3 months?
I would say it's probably saved us, I mean, we're quite a big user of electricity, and I would say it's probably saved us at least £600.
One of the challenges we had, because the equipment's here and the electric supply is at the front of the house, we had to get a cable through underground across this driveway, which the customer kindly installed for us with a duct. So buried under here, which you'll never notice, and then we come back through to here, and just the other side of this wall is where the customer's meter and consumer unit is. So that's where we've all connected up to complement the whole system. We fitted a Hanshu EV charger to enable the customer to charge his electric vehicle. Everything visible on the one app, so it's all nice, user-friendly, compact, easy to understand, and as I say, a very happy customer and a pleasure to work for.
We initially came to Solar Select on the basis that we had a quote from Octopus, came along and quoted, but they weren't interested simply because it didn't conform with their normal format of straightforward systems. We wanted it on the outbuilding, and Solar Select came along, gave us an incredibly good quote, and we accepted it, and they've done a first-class job.
So if you've got any requirements for solar battery, EV charges, with little challenges you think, oh, is this possible or not? Just click the button below, give us a ring, and we can talk you through it, and I'm sure we can find a solution that will make you happy.